Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to mark a chat as unread in Telegram. A super useful trick to help you stay organized and make sure you never forget to reply to those important messages. By the end of this video, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to flag a conversation as unread so nothing falls through the cracks. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Telegram app and take a look at your chat list. This is where all your ongoing conversations are hanging out, whether they're with friends, family, work groups, or anyone else. Sometimes you'll receive a message at just the wrong moment. You see it, but you're busy or just not ready to dive in and reply yet. That's where marking a chat as unread comes in handy. Think of it as putting a bright sticky note on that conversation so you remember to come back to it later. Now, here's what you need to do. Find the conversation that you want to mark as unread right there in your chat list. Take your finger and long press on that chat, not just a quick tap, but hold it down for a second or two. You'll notice the chat background might change color or a checkmark appears, which means you've successfully selected the conversation. If you get a pop-up menu instead, don't worry, just keep holding until you see the chat get highlighted. Once the chat is selected, glance up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three little dots stacked vertically. This is Telegram's More Options menu, kind of like the Swiss Army knife of each screen. Go ahead and tap on those three dots. A small menu will drop down with a list of actions you can take on the selected chat. In this menu, look for the option that says Mark as Unread. Go ahead and tap it. Instantly, you'll notice that the chat is now highlighted as if you've got a new message waiting, even though you've already seen it. This is fantastic because next time you're scrolling through your chats, this conversation will stand out, silently reminding you that you need to get back to it. It's kind of like folding the corner of a book page so you don't lose your spot. Don't worry if the steps seem a little fiddly at first. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. And remember, this method won't alert the other person or mark the message as new for them. It's just for your own organization, so you won't have to stress about accidentally ghosting someone or forgetting to respond. If you didn't see the mark as unread option, just double-check that you're using an updated version of Telegram. Sometimes the look of the menus can shift with updates, but the general approach, long press, then tap the three dots, then find mark as unread, remains the same across most Android devices. There you have it. Now you know how easy it is to mark any conversation as unread in Telegram. This small trick can save you a lot of hassle, especially if you're juggling multiple chats every day. If this guide helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button. It lets me know you're finding these tutorials helpful. If you've got questions or if you use Telegram in a different way, please share your experience in the comments. I read them all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.